Yeah, if you can see in here, there's 2 little tabs right here that it catches to pull it. Actually, four little tabs. So as you do that, that pulls that.
Depends on where it starts and it pulls.
Yeah, as you pull and connects, and then
Yep.
when I was able to use it, it kicked off really quick. So
Now getting it back on is another story. Starting with nuts, right?
thing that was giving me troubles with the cables.
Oh.
That back in there. That goes on the bottom. Goes in like that. So
Might have to get the rest of it underneath.
oh wow. That lined up pretty good.
Cool. Oh, look at that spider.
Yep. You know, it keeps making the thing across the
Yeah.
way there.
Little turd.
Yep. Let's see if I can find the threads and get them started.
Drop it or something?
Yep.
I don't
I
know.
can see it. They feel right on the rail.
Oh, good.
Maybe if this one might be easier to start.
Can't see anything.
I know. And just hard to get. And we're not going to snug it up until we get all of them in.
Yeah, first one started. Gonna go for more. We'll be back.
Well, we have the new pull cord in and it bolted back on. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and put the box back in here for the air filter, and that's what we're going to do here, and hopefully we can get this done. It looks like it might rain, but okay, let's see what we do here. Oh, we need to make sure this drain for the bottom of the carburetor actually points down, so it'll drain out the bottom on everything if it has to, if it over leaks.
Did you plug that little thing in, that wire that was loose down there?
Yep,
Okay.
I plugged that in.
Okay.
I haven't fastened this down yet because I need to be able to jockey it around. I got this loose over here yet, so let's see what we can do. I've got the carburetor here I need to line up. This hose I need to line up. Let's see what there.
That was the last thing that come off with that tube here.
Yeah.
You're almost over the carburetor already.
Yeah. Gotta see if I can. Get this worked in there.
Shoved in there though, it kind of snaps over this lip here.
Yeah. You can see there's a little ridge that
Yep. That it went
goes over there to seal it up.
Getting it there's another story, huh?
Yeah. Start at the bottom where it's harder to get to it to move it.
Right. getting there.
That's on.
Now this one. That's one. What's left for the box in here.
Okay, that's on.
Need the screwdriver, Phillips, or regular or what? There's both.
Need to get one more in.
Okay.
It was holding on there without being clipped on anyway, so now I'm gonna get. Okay, Phillips.
Right here.
Down there on the way out, there's two hens that are probably 8 to 10 little fucking chicks, fucking turkeys,
Oh yeah.
chilling right by the road. And then as we left, they're across the road, standing on the fucking road. Kind of be a dick to shoot one or two of those things, though.
Yeah.
Take care of it.
I didn't see it yet.
Yeah, I'm trying to rotate it around where I can get to the screw, but
Probably right at the bottom.
yeah.
Figures. Oh, I see it coming up. There you go. Flat
I just had to find the
flat.
teeth there, and
Looks like a flat screwdriver, huh?
it's not.
Oh, okay.
It's a Phillips.
Okay. Kind of look flat to me.
Now, got that one to tighten down
And put the two little bolts in here.
and put this back on the other piece back there. Yeah, make sure that is still in there. Yep. So now, fasten this back up.
Yeah.
There's another bolt.
Boom.
Air breather on.
Last thing
Almost.
before we can there we go. There's a little bracket back here that
Yeah.
makes sure it doesn't come loose. Okay, that is on. Now I got to put a pin in here, but we can go ahead and front. You got to tell us which is the front, which is the back. I don't know if it makes any difference or not, but it says front for a reason. And we're missing one of the clips, but you know, that's in tight enough. Now, we gotta fasten this thing down up here.
What about these here?
Yeah, those two. I'll go ahead and get this one in. If I can find where that goes in. Go ahead and put these in.
Oh, you already put one in here, huh?
Yeah, I put those in, not thinking I'd put there, but now let's get one more.
Oh, this one's not all the way
We were already missing a few of them from before.
in.
So that one new kit that we got has these in it.
Oh, okay.
The little door panel remover tool
Yeah.
or tools had them in it. Now, if I'd taken these all the way off or hadn't started putting that back together, it'd probably be all right. But there we go. These are actually kind of nice ways to fasten things on.
Yeah.
Okay, that is done.
Uh-oh, I think it's dying again.
Yeah, it could be.
It's getting dark again.
Yeah. Yeah, or my phone's just about ready to die. We'll finish putting all this on, but we're at the point now we can probably start it, but I need to get the key. So